An exciting weekend coming up, what with Strictly, with the rugby and a supermoon. That's a full moon, but it's when it's closest to the Earth in its elliptical path, and at the same time, a lunar eclipse. We haven't seen one since 1982, and the lunar eclipse is when the moon is in the Earth's shadow. So it will disappear, if you like, for a time, go into shadow, it won't be as bright. Now, can you see it? Well, we've been talking about high pressure all week, and the chances are pretty good of being able to see that on the early hours of Monday morning, because the high pressure looks as if it won't have a great deal of cloud with it, as you see at the moment, and most of that will be in the north and the west, so perhaps here not quite so favoured, and we're losing the sunshine as well across parts of Northern Ireland and Western Scotland now, but the showers are easing down. There's some potent ones still in the north and the east, but a good deal of dry and bright weather today. The winds are lighter as well, considerably so across England and Wales, so it does feel pleasant out there, I'm told, in the sunshine, and it should last throughout the rest of the afternoon. Temperatures similar to yesterday for most of us, but dropping away quite quickly through this evening and overnight. That time of year now, the nights longer than the days, so they will fall away. The showers continue to ease in the north, or any spots of rain, and the cloud will tend to break up. So a little bit of mist and fog where the cloud breaks in the north, more likely in the south. Temperatures in the towns and cities are still holding on towards double figures, but in the countryside it's going to be cold enough for some grass frost fairly widely in rural areas tomorrow morning across England and Wales in particular. So it may feel a bit autumnal this weekend. In the morning, when you open the curtains, there could be some fog around. That's going to become more problematical again, just like last weekend. But by the afternoon, in that sunshine, I suspect it'll feel much more pleasant, a little bit like late summer. So Saturday, we're losing the fog. Could be some across central areas that's quite slow to clear late morning. But we should see some more sunshine actually coming through Scotland and Northern Ireland. Lighter winds again, so lovely feeling, 15 to 18 degrees Celsius. Super weather for the rugby, mentioned it earlier, England and Wales at Twickenham. But it will be chilly as you head back from the match, if you're lucky enough to have a ticket, of course, because again, tomorrow night looks pretty cold as well. These are towns and cities, a little bit lower, and therefore, as a consequence, even with more breaks further north, temperatures close enough to freezing for some grass frost again. I suppose the main difference as we move between Saturday and Sunday is this weather front starts to creep in a little bit too close for comfort towards the north and west for my liking. So more cloud potentially, hopefully mostly dry. Again, the fog will be a problem in the morning, but once it clears away, it will feel lovely and warm in the afternoons, and it should clear away at this time of year for us all to enjoy some sunshine. Rita.
Lovely. Helen, thank you.